Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1960 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a graceful blend of European elegance and timeless automotive artistry. Its flowing curves and low-slung silhouette capture the essence of a bygone era, yet still turn heads today. Starting from the lower left, you can admire the rounded fenders that gently rise over the classic chrome-trimmed wheels. As we move up, the subtle crease along the body gives it a refined character. The front end is beautifully understated, with oval headlamps and a smooth, contoured hood that reflect the design language of the 60s. Panning to the right, the signature grille accents add just enough detail to break the simplicity. Now as we drop to the lower right, the chrome bumper wraps the front like a piece of jewelry, while the delicate VW emblem at the nose finishes the look with quiet pride. Bringing it back to the left, the entire front reflects thoughtful craftsmanship rooted in vintage automotive design. A car designed not for speed, but for style, poise, and pure driving enjoyment. Moving to the rear, the elegance flows uninterrupted. The rounded rear window and sloped roofline blend effortlessly into the tapered back. Centered just beneath the glass, the Karmann Ghia badge sits proudly, a nod to its coach-built origins. Below that, the dual chrome exhaust tips peek out beneath the bumper, giving just a hint of sportiness. Panning right, the classic taillights, simple, round, and framed in chrome, anchor the rear design. Now looking at the lower left, the modest rear bumper, also dressed in chrome, finishes the look with a graceful touch. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art. Inside, the Karmann Ghia greets you with a minimalist cabin wrapped in vintage charm. The slim steering wheel, with its chrome horn ring, instantly takes you back to an era of pure, analog driving. The dash is elegantly simple, with classic gauges that tell only what you need to know. Across the center, a single-row radio and period-correct switchgear maintain the original vibe. Moving to the lower right, the short shifter and bare metal pedals offer an unfiltered connection to the road. And as we swing back to the left, the hand-stitched seats and two-tone interior materials create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Every inch of the cabin speaks to an era where driving was personal and emotional. From the side, the Karmann Ghia's silhouette is pure poetry. The long, sloping roofline and low beltline give it a profile like no other. Up top, the seamless glasshouse gives an airy feel. As we move across, the wheel arches flow naturally into the body, without a harsh line or sharp edge. Shifting downward, the white wall tires and steel wheels with chrome caps ground the car in vintage authenticity. And returning to the left, the subtle body contours whisper of hand-formed sheet metal and attention to detail. A timeless icon that's as sculptural as it is functional. Under the rear decklid lies a compact yet dependable heart. The air-cooled 1.2L flat-4 engine produces a modest yet charming performance. Moving up, the engine bay is simple and clean, making every component easy to reach and understand. Across the center, the mechanical simplicity offers an unfiltered connection between man and machine. To the right, the lightweight construction and rear engine layout create a balanced, engaging drive. And back again, the sound of the engine, a soft, distinctive purr, evokes decades of heritage and craftsmanship. A car that proves driving pleasure doesn't need massive power, just soul. The Karmann Ghia remains an accessible classic. Prices vary, with clean examples starting around $25,000 and show-quality restorations reaching upwards of $50,000. Moving up, maintenance is straightforward and parts availability remains solid thanks to its shared lineage with the Beetle. Across the center, fuel efficiency and reliability make it a joy to own and drive. Panning to the right, its growing collector status makes it a smart investment for enthusiasts. Coming back to the left, the Karmann Ghia offers a unique opportunity to own a vintage European coupe without breaking the bank. If you're ready to own a car that embodies elegance, charm, and vintage class, the 1960 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is waiting to tell your story, 1 mile at a time. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.